Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Audible app. Audible app is an audiobook and spoken word entertainment platform owned by Amazon. It offers a wide range of audiobooks, podcasts, guided wellness programs, and original content. Audible operates on a subscription model where members receive monthly credits to purchase audiobooks, but you can also buy audiobooks individually without a subscription. Audible content is accessible through apps for mobile devices and PCs as well as via website browsers. To use this, of course, first you can go to their website, which is audible.com, and then sign in to your Amazon account, or you can have also your Audible account, and then after that you can explore vast selection of audiobooks, podcasts, and other content. You can search by author, title, genre, or topics of interest. Now, if you have a membership, you'll get monthly credits to use towards purchasing audiobooks. You can also purchase them outright using a credit card. Some content is available for free or part of the Audible Plus catalog. Now, after purchasing or downloading an audiobook, you can go to library at the top of the page to find all your content. Click the play button next to any audiobook to start streaming it in your web browser. You can control playback, adjust speed, skip chapters, and pause, resume as needed. If you prefer to listen offline, you can download audiobooks via the Audible app for mobile or PC. And then that's it everyone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you ever find that, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.